we've done a lot, yet it feels almost like we don't have anything to show for that yet. And remember, that is kind of the purpose of this learning track modules here at Websites for Beginners. Is not just to throw a quick how-to tutorial out there, but to teach you actually how to work with WordPress, to let it sink in, make it some muscle memory, so that you don't just do it one time and forget completely about it. WordPress has so many components that you really kind of need to practice it again and again. And what I try to do is from one module to the other, like Crash Course, Starter, then Core, is to try and switch it up a little bit how we do it so that you can get the same information from different avenues. What we are working towards is this section here. You can see here at the top, I've marked the header. We want this header to be transparent, but we're not there yet because we have a page title here. And the page title comes with the theme, which is Blocksy. And then the header, we need to make that transparent so it can overlap this hero section. The first thing we need to do is to get rid of the page title. And if that is controlled by the theme Blocksy, we need to go do it in Blocksy. That means we have to go back into the customizer. And I did promise you earlier, you're going to jump around. Right, so we go to the front end where it is still open, and I'll click on Customize because we need to go into the editor. Now, you can actually do this in two places. And the one is on the page itself, which will only affect this page. It means that you will remove the page title only on this page. Or the other way you do it is you do it for the whole site, and that's where you come do it in the customizer. Because we're working with only one page, we come do it in the customizer. So this is page, and this is how you always have to think about the customizers. Some customizers, their layout is horrendous. You really cannot find anything, and I wish people will sit up a little. Blocksy has done it very nicely. You are thinking page, remove page title, so look for page. And here you see under post types, you have pages. Select that, and then you actually see page title there at the top. If you click on it, it's going to give you all the styling options, how you can style it. Click back. We just want to disable it, so we untoggle it. And the page title should disappear. Now, we encountered this phenomena of this additional space that Blocksy gives us for free in our WordPress crash course. Let me indicate that to you again by drawing some smart stuff here on the screen. There is space there. And when I scroll down at the very bottom, there is also a little bit of space here with the footer at the very bottom, and then this footer that we brought in from the page. So what's going on here? This is something to do with the alignment within the Blocksy theme. You don't have to care about why it does that. You only need to care how do you remove it. From the same option settings here on the left, that means pages, you will see that we have this setting, content area, vertical spacing, and it gives you 4 options. This one is currently activated. This works if you work with the WordPress Gutenberg editor. The moment you bring in a page builder, doesn't matter which one, in our case, Brizzy, it doesn't work. It adds those spaces there. Go all the way to the right and click on Disabled, and we've actually enabled a good website. Brilliant, tremendous achievement. We've removed the page title. We've removed all that additional space that we don't need. And now let's go ahead and change our header so that it can become a transparent header.